Hi guys, if you love to tie scarf, here's a chic and simple way of tying basic one. I use a volumizer. It gives you a big ball at the back and it's good for any kind of scarf to tie. Here, I've prepped my background and I'm trying to figure out the scarf length. Now I have this is a very simple cotton scarf, easy to tie, although it's not so big, but we can handle it. These are the two ends. Here I'm trying to get the base for each. You tie both scarf at the back. You're not going to knot it, you're just going to twist it. Take the left to the right, take the right to the left. And here we are. Okay, now you know that the right hand scarf was longer than the left hand side. You bring both sides to the front, twist, twist, twist. It's all about twisting. This scarf is very chic. It's a very basic one if you don't want to be tying big scarf here and there. Like if you want to go grocery shopping, just want to step out, you can equally just tie this if you're having a bad hair day, or just want to look different and you don't want to wear a wig. Now you twist the knot, twist, twist, twist. We're twisting both the left and the right side. Remember, one of the edges was longer than one, right? Here we're still twisting and we're just trying to get the twist well. Now we're going. This thing is not, you mustn't follow this style just for you to get the basic, and you can even twist it anyhow you want. Here I've started in bringing the both ends together as one, and like I said, it's all about twisting. So you take the ends and tuck it underneath the back area. Ensure every loose end is tucked in properly, like so. And here we are. I'm trying to see, when you're doing, definitely you see some ends not well twisted, just twist it in. Look at the back. Because of the volumizer I wore, the black mini cap, you think it's not a cap, it's a volumizer. It gives you volume at the back of your head and for a better fit. Done.